Customer complaint, he changed out the heat element, and now his clothes are getting stuck. Yeah. So we're gonna let it run. Alright, so we're taking it apart. This was a DIY customer, and now it's making noises. Alright, so what I did was I readjusted this right here because I'm inside. Right along here, it had gaps, and clothes were getting caught up in there. So this should fix it. So let's see what we get. Alright, so it sounds a whole lot better. Oh, let's stop. Alright, so it sounds alright, so we're good to go. Just gotta put the bottom back on.